Oh boy, so we would have looked at short division, long division, and reducing techniques. I just want to recap everything with one question. You have 840 divided by 25. So if we come across this, and you can come across division in worded questions, inside of a question, you're looking deep inside a question, boom, a wild division appears. Would you be able to do it quickly? How would you arrive at your answer? Well, you can do long division, which is for exams. Unless instructed, you just use short division. So long division is something that is like a stepping stone to where you learn short division. So all students at your level should be getting stronger in short division, being able to divide quickly, right? So you don't have to do the whole steps in long division. So what if we had to do long division for this? If we were forced to do long division, what would be the steps? Remember the letters D, M, S, B. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring it down, do it all back, right? So DMSB, 25 into 8 is impossible. It's division first. 25 into 84, we know that is 3. How do I know that's 3? 3 by 25 is 75, which is the next step, multiply. 3 by 25 is 75. When I subtract 75 from 84, how much do I get? 75 minus 84 is 9. Can 25 go into 9? No, it cannot. So I need to bring down the 0. So we brought down the 0 and we are ready to go now. 25 can go into 90 once again 3 times. 4 25s make 100. So we put a little 3 up here. 3 multiplied by 25 is 75. I hope all of this feels like just a refresher for you. And 90 minus 75 is, take your time with this, it's 15, right? It's 15. It's 15. Can 25 go into 15? No, it cannot. So put a decimal point because I've reached the end. I was coming down here. I was coming here. I am at the end. I'm at my wit's end. I'm at the decimal point. So actually I'm going into decimal point land. So I'm going to be 25 into 15. It's a problem. So what I'll have to do is get a 0 here and track him all the way down. And now I'll be 25 into 150. How many times can 25 go into 150? Check it and see. So we have 25, 50, 75, 100. That's 4. And then 5 will make 125. 6. 6 times. 6 times. Without leaving a remainder too. So 6 by 25 is 150 when I subtract 0. So my answer is 33.6. That's long division. And it's called long division because it's long. I don't know why it's called long division, but we went through all the steps at long division. Let's try short division now. We will do 25 into 840. But we are doing something here that's kind of on not the best idea. Can you tell why this is not the best idea? 25 into 84, once again we get 3, but this time we put the remainder. Are you with me? We'll put the remainder right here. Let me do it in red. 25 into 84, we get the 3 here, we put the remainder there. And now we do 25 into 90. So in short division, are you understanding now, now that you have reached this age, that short division compresses the techniques of long division into one? So everything is done in your mind. 25 into 90 is 3, and the remainder, remember what the remainder is? 150. So we get the 150 from here appearing there. The remainder was 15. When you put it there, we get 150. And now it will be 25 into 150 is 6. Short division. Well, what is the problem with all of these techniques that we are using here? Before you divide anything, especially in exams, you want to choose the fastest route. So if you see 840 divided by 25, or it was written in another way, it was written 840 over 25. It's up to you now to see that there are common factors. 840 is a number with an extremely high amount of common factors. It is, I think it's the number between 100 and 1000 with the most factors. 840. Lots of things can go into 840. 2, 3, 5, 10. Lots of things. So let's try 5. 5 into 25 is 5. And 5 into 840 is 5 into 8 is 1, remainder 3. 5 into 35 is 6, remainder 4. And 5 into 40 is 8. Now that I have reduced with an easy division, 5, and I also did short division here when I was reducing. I could do it on the side, so I could do 840 divided by 5, and I can do my short division here. But you must also be able to do it in a reducing case. See how short division helpful? So let me just show you it again. 5 into 8, 1, remainder 3, which came here. 5 into 34, 5 6s are 30, so 6, remainder 4, and 5 can go into 40. Well, 10 can go into 40 4 times, 5 can go into 40 8 times. So 168 is correct. So what I'm left with is just 5 into 168, which should be simple. 5 can go into 16. It can't go into the 1, but it can go into 16 3 times, remainder 1. And then 5 can go into 18 once again, 3 times, remainder 3. And then 5 can go into 30 6 times. 33.6 is the way to go. So I hope you appreciate this little study in division and division techniques, and you're able to clarify and clear up why certain things are the way they are. If you feel like you need to go over the fundamentals again, please check back the other videos that we have on each individual division and get strong in it. Get strong.